Hey Kate, this is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke earlier and I told you that I was going to be sending over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly. I want to go through one of your competitors' sites really quickly. And then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in more traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out, and often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to reach out and team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on your home page, which actually looks really good. I can tell that you invested some time or some money into this home page. So we can go through here. It looks good, but it does not look like you guys have a lot of content on here. And so you want to have around at least 1,000 to 1,500 words on this home page. Google's going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of the key factors is going to be content. So like I said, you want to have at least 1,000 to 1,500 words. You guys actually have 587 right now, so we would definitely want to add more content. We would want to make sure that content is quality, educational content. Google's going to send out its bots to crawl the site, and they're going to read through the content, and they are going to determine whether or not it will help their users find the information or the services that they're looking for. And in addition to that, we also want to make sure the content has the proper amount of high volume relevant keywords so that we can get you ranked for all of the right things. And so over here, I've hopped onto Google. The keyword I'll be using for today's video is mold remediation Pittsburgh. This is a really good keyword. It brings in around 150 searches per month. So if you were to just convert even a few of those into customers, you would be doing really well for just one keyword. And so below the search bar here we have our Google Ads. This Google Ads are a really good way to get your name out there, build some brand recognition while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. As long as you know what you are doing. If you don't, you can actually waste a lot of money, but they are definitely a good way to get things moving quickly if used properly. And so beneath the ads, here we have our Google Map Pack. It's definitely a good spot to be at, gets you right at the top of the page, and it is even more useful now that so many people are searching for things on their phone. In order to make it into a top 3 spot here, you have to have a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So think Yelp, think Yellow Pages, think Yext. You want to be listed on as many of these high-powered and highly trusted directories as you can, and you definitely want to be listed on more of them than these 3 businesses right here. And so right beneath that, we have our organic search results. This is definitely should be your number one area of focus. It's by far the best return on investment long term, and this is because Google has come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something in, they are going to click on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to click on one towards the top of the page. And so right here, we can see the number one company that comes up for this keyword. So we can go through. I did a word counter search on them. They have only 847 words, so it would be extremely easy to beat them out content-wise. However, the main way that you're going to get up here is going to be through backlinks. And so a backlink is just a shout out from another website. So you want to have these shout outs or backlinks from high powered, highly trusted, and relevant sites. So, for instance, if a really well trusted and popular local plumbing company or construction company, if they were to give your site a backlink from their site, that would be a really good way to bring in power to your site. So over here, I've jumped onto ahrefs.com. This is a really great tool. I highly recommend using it if you try and do this on your own. It is a little pricey. It does cost me around $400 a month to use it, but it gives me a lot of great information. Like right here, I can see that the competition that we were just looking at before has 214 backlinks from 32 different domains and is ranking for 476 keywords. So here I can actually take a closer look at those keywords and see what they are. And right here, it'll list the keywords. Here it'll list how many people search for that keyword per month. Here it will tell you how many people visit their site from typing in this keyword and what position they hold for that keyword on Google. We can go through and we can see which ones apply to your business, which ones bring in the most volume, and we can incorporate those keywords into the content on your website. And so I'm going to go back. I'm going to do the same exact thing that I did for the keywords with the backlinks. I'm going to click on their backlinks and it's going to list out all the different backlinks they have, and I can go through and pick which ones have a high DR domain rating, and I can go through and snag the best ones. So right now you can see they have 215 backlinks. That is a fairly easy number to beat, but do keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one keyword for one of the services that you provide. We want to beat out all of your competition. And so really quickly before I wrap this up, here I've typed in your website into Ahrefs. Right now you guys have 3 backlinks from 2 different domains and you are not ranking for any keywords at this time. So we definitely want to implement the 3 things that we talked about today, which are number 1, adding in some more content with high volume keywords in there. Number 2, we want more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number 3, we want more relevant, high-powered backlinks. So that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and got something out of it. If you're interested in learning more, you can reach out to me, you can email me back, or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thanks for watching, and I hope to hear from you soon.